You'll find customizable dashboards throughout the platform. These dashboards offer a variety of layouts and data presentations tailored to your specific needs. For instance, we'll showcase different dashboard designs, highlighting their unique features and functionalities. This includes demonstrating the process of navigating to the page's dashboard and examining the website's statistics. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the main dashboards and some powerful features that make navigating and analyzing data a breeze. Let's dive into the master dashboard. These dashboards are the heart of our platform, offering a customizable and user-friendly experience. You'll find a variety of layouts and data presentations tailored to your specific needs. As you can see, these dashboards are not just static displays. They can be tailored to fit your preferences. Whether you're interested in visualizing traffic, engagement, or any other metrics, our platform has got you covered. In addition, you have the capability to select a specific date range, compare it with a previous period, and customize the auto reload time. You can also choose to display the data by day, week, month, or year, ensuring you always work with the latest and most accurate data. You can filter the data and export it in a specific format. Now, let's navigate to the page's dashboard. Here, you can get an in-depth look at your website's statistics. Additionally, you have the option to apply segments and view the sums of segments and column sums for metrics such as page views, number of visitors, and average page session duration. You can export the data from the tab in different formats. Let's talk about the exciting option to create new dashboards. This is where you can truly make the platform your own. Adding report blocks is a powerful way to customize your dashboard. You can choose from default report blocks or create your own custom report blocks based on your unique needs. With this level of customization, you have the freedom to tailor your dashboards to focus on what matters most to you and your team.